At first, I had a lot of root canals. I've always had problems with my teeth. And then one thing led to another. Tooth decay, and I lost my front tooth, my front incisor, and then I would grind my teeth at night. And you really don't notice it at first until it's too late, really. So it was time to do something because I couldn't eat properly and it was affecting my health.
When David first came in over 9 years ago, he had been complaining of his inability to chew because he had worn down his teeth.
I couldn't smile, I couldn't eat, and it was affecting my health. It was time to do something, and I'm glad I came here and did it.
A lot of other dental offices had given him a treatment plan to fix his teeth with lots of root canals and crowns, but he felt that that was not the best option for him because of his chewing force. He would keep on breaking everything. So in 2014, we decided to do All-On-4 procedure for him. We completed that procedure. We made him a night guard to protect his teeth, and he's been happy ever since. And it's so nice to see David happy because just last year, he had the confidence in us to bring his wife in, and she was in the same process, breaking a lot of teeth in the back, losing her ability to chew. And she also had a lot of cavities in between the teeth. And a lot of these teeth were not fixable. So for Miss Crystal, we did the same thing. We did the All-On-4 procedure. We mapped everything out, and we got a beautiful, beautiful result on her. So both husband and wife have beautiful matching smiles.
The first time I saw my teeth, my tear came to my eye. I mean, it was difference between night and day. Going from nubs to full set of teeth, it was awesome. It was awesome. I had no more worries. I had no more, and it felt like 1,000 pounds lifted from my shoulder because it was concerning me. I was greeted with open arms. The staff is very professional, very friendly. They explain everything to me. The cost, how long it was going to take, the healing process, the stages you go through until you reach the final stage. And if you had any questions or concerns, they'd gladly answer your questions.